Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2016 Ford-aged smart key.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in the OBD communication cable. Select Generate Smart Key. Find Ford, Edge. Select the menu for 201-32017. Put the new smart key produced by Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generate. Generate successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMMO and Remote. Ford, China. Find the Edge. Select after 2015. Program Smart Key. Select Add Smart Key. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the driver's side door once. OK. Put the new key into the sensing area. Press the start button. Click OK. Programming now. Number of programmed keys 3. OK. Program complete. OK. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? The original car key. Step on the brake. Press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The new key unlock. Lock the car. The original car key unlock. Lock the car. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed smart key for 2016 Ford-aged. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.